What we're going to do is a big round thing like that. Who could do that?
Me?
Go on, Nora. At the top of the page, that's it, Nora. That's good. Yeah, that's good. There we are. Stop. And then that's it, Nora. No, stop, Nora. And then you do this, Nora. Nora, and then you do round. Close it. Close it. And then you add the cat ears. What, Isla?
Oh,
Isla, you do yours. And then, yes, the cat ears. Both of the ears. Don't forget both of the ears. And then you add the skirt. Do that. 2 lines here. Look. 2 lines here. Look. 1 here. Bloop. 1 here. Bloop.
And
Yeah.
again?
Yeah, again. No, wait. And then do this. Look. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Can you do that? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There we are, Nora. Good
How
job.
do you like it?
Perfect, Nora. Isla. And then we have to do the cheeks. We could do the cheeks. Round cheeks. Round cheeks. Well done.
Yours was really great.
Yeah, it's really good. Oh, well done, Nora. That's good. And don't forget the cute little nose. Do a circle first, like a triangle shape like that. Look, guys, upside down triangle. There we are, Nora. Colour it in. That's it. Colour it in.
What about the eyes?
Wait, hold on. And then you do the face. Let's do the mouth like this. Nora. Oh, yeah. That's it, Nora. Do the eyes. Then Nora, do the smile, mommy. On the nose, underneath the nose. Close it.
Eyes look so
Isla,
cute.
you got to follow my step by step. Do the mouth like this. That's it. She's going ahead. And then the mouth. Look, Isla, don't look at her. Look at me. Look. Ah.
Okay.
Okay. And now you do the eyes. Look. Do a dot. And do a dot. You can make it a bit bigger if you want.
What your eyelashes?
Yeah, and then you add the lashes.
Mummy,
Mm.
that is fat.
Lovely, Nora. And then don't forget, guys, the whiskers. Nora's already started her whiskers. Whiskers like that. Look, you press it down and flick. That's it. And lift your head a bit. And now we go to the tentacles. So wiggle, 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 wiggle. Nora, do you done your tentacles? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Look, Isla, watch. Watch. You got to watch first, Mama. That's why you do 2 and then join them up.
Mommy, I'm doing the table wiggle.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
No, it's alright. Look, watch. You gotta watch me first. So you do first one,
I
now watch,
wiggle,
Isla.
wiggle,
and then you do the other one,
wiggle, wiggle,
and then you join it up. You do that. What colour you gonna do yours? What colour you gonna do yours?
I want to pink.
You do your pink.
I like this